Well, check this out. The truck is definitely broken in. We got 1,251 miles, and that's because we just drove 770 miles to Birmingham, Alabama. Look at that. We're here at Town and Country Ford, a lot bigger dealership than I'm used to going to. And there's a reason for that. The F150 build is starting right now. If you guys remember from a previous video, I said that it might take some time before we can get this done. But thanks to Town and Country Ford, that is all about to change. Check out these F250 builds they have here. This is nice. This is a big boy truck right here. Look at the difference in size. Got some fuelies on there, look at that. And a big lift. I dig it. All right, so I'm in here at Town and Country Ford. And the reason why I drove down here is because my wife and I were planning a trip to Destin. And I really want to get the build going on the 2021 F150. And like I said earlier in the video, it's been hard because it's so new on the market and you can't really find good parts for it yet because they're just not out yet. So what I did was I contacted Mitchell Watts at Town and Country Ford because I've seen what they do already to 2021 F150s, and basically got to talking with him to see if we can work something out. And Birmingham, Alabama, where they're located, is on the way down to Destin, and here I am. The build for the 2021 is starting today, and it's all thanks to you, man.
Absolutely, man.
You're the man, bro.
I'm pumped
so
up.
In the next video, we're gonna have a big reveal. It's probably gonna be, I think, the first 2021 in the country with the setup that we're about to do.
Okay, I was gonna say, don't tell them what we're doing yet. You gotta wait till the next video.
That's the second video. Okay. They're huge dealership. They have like a separate little showroom storage area, whatever, filled with just tires and wheels for trucks and also lift kits.
Absolutely, correct? Yeah. So Town and Country Ford, we've got 2 stores, one in Bessemer, Alabama, one in Pell City, Alabama. But TC Customs, we've been customizing these trucks for 20 plus years now. Yeah. Whether it's lift kits, superchargers, what have you. And we've also got you a discount code, I think. We've got a link for you guys. In the description. Yeah, absolutely. Down in the description. If you click that link, it automatically will apply 15% off of anything you put in the cart there. So tccustoms.com, but use the link down below and you can get that 15%.
Absolutely. I mean, these guys are awesome. If you have a 2021 F150 or even the older generations and you want something done to them, I recommend these guys. You get 15% off, and you can be, like me, one of the first ones with the 2021 who actually gets it modified.
Absolutely.
And that's what, I mean, that's what YouTube is about. I want to be first. And look at what they have at the showroom floor here. But check out the Ford Fusion. And if it wasn't for a Ford Fusion, my channel really wouldn't even be around. It definitely wouldn't be the size that it is today. And since I'm dropping my truck off, I need something to drive. We're going to Florida. So Mitchell was kind enough to lend me the keys for the Fusion.
Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking.
Nope, unfortunately, it's not a Ford Fusion. Look at what these guys are doing. This is my loaner car. It's the first 2021 F150 in the world with a 6-inch lift on 37's. This is what they're gonna let me drive. Look at that thing, it is absolutely sick. Man, you guys are insane. Thanks, man.
First 2021 F150 on 37's.
Dude, look at this thing. It is just nasty.
Nasty bad.
This is by far the dopest loaner I have ever gotten, ever.
Here goes the keys too, by the way.
Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.
Now, it's not a Lariat or anything, but who cares? Look at this thing. It is just nasty looking. 6-inch on 37's. We got some fuelies on there. Toyo RTs. Is this still called magnetic? The color?
This is now called carbonized gray.
Carbonized gray. Man, they know how to do it right. They know how to do it right. Look at that. I don't think I've ever been the world's first with anything, ever.
You know?
Man, that is such a difference from my truck. Look at that. Stock ride height, 4-inch on 37's. Again, what a loaner, man. These people are awesome. But my truck is next. I'm not gonna tell you exactly what we're doing. That's for the next video, but when I tell you I'm excited, I'm excited. My man.
Say goodbye to your truck because it's fixing to look completely different. All right, let's go ahead and pull it in, get it racked up.
Cool.
Start cutting on it.
Awesome. So yeah, if it wasn't for these guys, I wouldn't be able to do this quickly. I would have to wait a lot longer. So again, super duper excited, and a huge thanks to Town & Country Ford for hooking me up here, man. And when I say hooking me up, look at that. And I know I probably said this 5 times already in the past minute in the video, but first 2021 in the world on 37's. So yeah, it's been an awesome day. Here we are. It's the end of the video. Again, I want to thank Mitchell and Town & Country Ford for hooking me up, man. Look at this. It's going to be the loaner for the next 3-4 days. And the next video, like I said, is going to be us picking up my truck. Yeah. That's going to be built as well. So again, thanks, dude. Man, I'm really excited, really excited. I wouldn't be able to do this if it wasn't for Mitchell and Town & Country Ford. So you guys are really hooking me up here.
Absolutely. 2
ways. Fixing my truck up and then letting me have this to drive. I mean, I was expecting maybe like a Ford Focus or something, but it's far from it.
It's not too late. I can get you a Focus.
I'm good. I think I'm good. So yeah, if you guys have enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Check out Town & Country's YouTube channel, by the way, if you haven't already. They have, what, over 170,000 subscribers?
No, nothing quite like you guys, but yes, we've got 175,000 subscribers right now.
Yeah, and they do a lot of cool custom stuff. It's not just Ford reviews. They do this type of stuff, so it's very entertaining and awesome to watch. And many times, like this here, they're first off ever to do a 2021 with, you know, lift kit and 37. So check them out. I'll link their YouTube channel in the description as well, and also the 15% off link if you guys find something that you're interested in, or you already have a truck and you want to modify it. Check these guys out. But again, this video is over. Give it a huge thumbs up, and if you haven't already and you want to, please subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.